Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Can you smile? Do you see yourself? Say hi, Dad.
Alrighty. As you can see, I got a baby on my chest. So does Lauren. And we're doing some fishing. And I actually just spotted a pretty good sized muskie. He's right up here. I put a tube jig on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get him to bite or not. He's kind of in some, right there. See his tail coming out of the water?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna try sneaking up here. Alright, Lauren, I'm gonna need you to run camera, please. I'm gonna see, hold on. Just gotta be careful not to scare him. I'm gonna try to sneak right up here and get some video quick. Oh, he just shot off. Let's see if I can jig him. Yeah. Oh. You snapped me off. No way I got him. No way. Oh my God. No. Oh, twice. Twice. Here he comes again. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Here he comes. Oh my. He wants it still. Don't ask me how. He just chased it right up again. I just jig it on the bottom and he just comes up. Here's a little bit. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Popping it, popping it, popping it. Oh my God. Stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Come on, buddy. Please. Such a strong. Can't let him get any. Oh my gosh. You get that? Woo. Oh my gosh. Come on, Dad. Oh no, that tube jig's not in there good either. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. It's gonna be impossible to do this with her right here. There's another one right there. Okay, grab it, grab it, grab it. This. Wait. Let go. Okay. Easy. Wow. Okay, let's hurry up. Alright guys, let's caught this beautiful muskie. Got my daughter on my chest. Hopefully Lauren's recording, but I'm gonna let it go. Get it down here. Oh, this fish bit 3 times. And I actually hooked him twice. Hey, hold on. We gotta let this muskie go. Oh, there he goes. Awesome. Swimming right there. There he goes. Wow. Awesome. That was a stressful battle. Well, I don't know if this is going to be a video or not. If it is, it's going to be like a 2-minute video, but I don't know many guys that can say they caught a muskie with their daughter on their chest, so it's pretty awesome. I don't know how long he was. I didn't have a tape, and I was just trying to get him back in the water as soon as possible. And it was hard with her on my chest to grab the fish, but he left his mark, and he's back in the water. Hopefully catch him again some other time, and they're grunty, so we're gonna get back home and hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Hopefully do some more fishing and always eat, sleep, hunt, fish. See you guys next time.